Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Jeff Anozie, and today is a Monday in the city of Enugu, in the beautiful city of Enugu. And like you can see, the sit at home is still quite effective around here. I mean, this is a Monday morning out of a weekend, and you can see these scanty movements on the roads. Even though it is a bit better, but it is what it is. So today I am going over to GRA, and I thought to, bring you up to speed on basically Enugu and environs. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. If you do, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, so you can see more of these type of videos, right? So you can see more of, drive-through videos and city tours within Enugu. This is Frobel. If you know Frobel, please write in the comment section. I know Frobel. Frobel is a primary nursery and primary school in Enugu, around City Park Independence Layout, Omonano Street. Precisely, this is Pioneer Junction. This place is called Pioneer. And we're in Independence Layout. Hillview. We're just connecting Hillview Avenue, heading to ESBS Junction. Alright, ESBS Junction. Please go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, so you can see more of these type of videos. Enugu is a beautiful city, peaceful, calm, and I guess that's why most people want a piece of property in Enugu. I am your property guy here in Enugu, and basically I help you with safe and profitable real estate investments in Enugu and in the Southeast in general. So that's Hillview. If you attended Hillview or you know anybody that did, please let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. So that's Top Rank Hotel down there. Top Rank Hotel. Yeah, this is ESBS. This is ESBS Junction. And see what is on ESBS Junction. Graceland Estate. Graceland Estate is selling right now. Now selling. You can see now selling. The promo for this estate is going to end on the 30th of this month. I just saw it. I thought to remind you of that. It's 5 million naira right now, C of O. And this is ESBS Junction. This is ESBS Junction. So if you want more inquiry about Graceland Estate, let me know. I'm excited to help you with that. This is Lady Ibiam School. This is National Library. This right here is National Library. You can see National Library. This is NTA Road. This road is actually NTA Road. NTA Road. Let me pass this place. So we're heading to Wayek Junction right now. Universal Hotel. Aguilera Street. This is Aguilera Street. MOT. There used to be policemen on this junction. There is none today. So let's go through this road. Just a peaceful city. This is Wayek. This is Wayek office Enugu right here. And this is Harcourt Enugu. This is Harcourt. This is the base event center. On this road, almost all the courts in Enugu are on this road actually. This is National Industrial Courts. This is Court of Appeal. Then Federal High Court is along this road. See the road, Court Avenue. Federal High Court is along this road. Okay, please people. All right, so I've seen police people. Let me stop and continue later. All right, so after the roundabout, this is Unity Park. This is Government House. Sorry for the break. I've not really understood the meaning of this statue here at the roundabout. I know most statues in Enugu roundabouts have meaning, but that one I've not been able to figure it out. This is Unity Park. This is Opera Square. Normally this place is very busy, but today, because of the sit at home, it is, less busy. Opera Square. You can see how peaceful, serene, calm Enugu is, right? That's because of, and that's why Enugu is one of the most desirable cities to live in the southeast. It is peaceful, calm, and one of the best places to raise your children in the world. Actually. So we're heading to GRA. That is customary court of appeal down there, customary court of appeal, and the National Assembly. This access route has been blocked for many months now. So we all have to pass through this place. This is Rangers Avenue, Independence Layout. You can see how scanty the roads are. Yeah, because of the sit at home, even though we've not heard of any, reported violent cases in Enugu in recent times, but almost everybody still observes the sit at home. So every Monday is just like this. Everybody's just seated at home, and it's just a few of us that quickly just go to pick up something and back. But you just be mindful of the places you go to. So this traffic light, I will wait for the traffic lights. All right, and so we continue after the traffic lights. So I was saying that it's just, you're just mindful and very careful of places you go to, you visit. Places like Independence Layout, New Haven, GRA, of course, is seemingly fairly okay, because in previous times we've not really heard of so much violence within these areas. So, but we're just careful and mindful. If it's absolutely not necessary that you leave the house, you can just try and practice working from home. from home. Another traffic light. We'll pause again and continue later. Okay, we've gone past the traffic lights and past the police checkpoint. This is Otigba. This is number one Chime. That's number one Chime, New Heaven. And this is Otigba. Let's go through fire service. Yeah, I'm just taking you through a tour of Enugu. If you're new on this channel, please hit the like button, subscribe. If you like this type of videos and you want to see more of these type of updates, kindly subscribe to this channel. I am Jeff Anozie, and the goal is to bring you profitable real estate investments within Enugu, Southeast in general. This is fire service, and we're heading towards GRA. This is Ogui Junction, and look what we have. I want to do this again. And look what we have at Ogui Junction too. Yeah, Graceland Estate. Graceland is selling right now for 5 million naira, promo price. But this price is changing by 31st of this month. By 31st of this month, Graceland Estate is going to 7 million naira. Estate comes with a C of O and is fast developing. Fencing is currently going on. And if you see the previous video in my channel, you will see details of Graceland Estate. But that's the estate that is the talk of town this period, all right? For just 5 million, I get a piece of it. So this is Abakaliki Road. We're heading towards Opera Avenue, GRA, ShopRite. This is the old Governor's Lodge. Old Governor's Lodge. So you see these malls, there are a lot of shopping complexes within this area at this period. Lots of them just keep cropping up around here. And that's because of demand. And some of those shop rents are not very cheap. And some of these shop rents are not cheap at all. You can see good number of them cropping up around here. Shopping complexes. I love the trees. That's one thing I love about Enugu. These trees, you can see them. Beautiful trees, giving us a lot of fresh air and greenery. A lot of greenery. You can see that. That's one thing. See the trees. Many other eastern states don't have this. You see? That's why you need to invest in Enugu. This is ESET, Enugu College of Education. And that is the mall, ShopRite, Polo Park. That's Polo Park Mall, Enugu. You can see the mall is shut down totally and completely because of the sit at home. Not much activity happening at the mall as well. ShopRite. Because of the sit at home also. So yeah, that's basically about sit at home. And today, Monday 1st of August. Happy new month to you. Today is the 1st of August, and I'm basically just bringing you updates of events happening. This is celebrities. This road leads to Abakaliki Lane, an NYSC camp. There's All Saints Church, All Saints Anglican Cathedral in Enugu. Okay, so this brings me to the end of this video. I'm sure you liked it. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel so you get to see more of these type of videos. Like, come your way again. I'm Jeff Anozie, and I'm out.